Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Need for Speed Unbound offline. To begin, ensure your game is completely installed and updated. You'll need to launch the game at least one time with an active internet connection for initial setup and activation. After this quick, one-time step, you can easily disconnect your device from the internet and still access the entire single-player campaign. It's a simple way to enjoy the game's story mode. For your first time playing, a brief online connection is essential. This allows the game to activate properly and download any crucial day one patches or updates. Think of it as a quick handshake with the game servers. Once this initial setup is complete, which usually takes only a few minutes, you are free to disconnect. Your single-player progress will then be stored directly on your gaming device. Once your initial setup is done, playing offline is incredibly simple. Just ensure your gaming device, whether it's a PC or a console, is completely disconnected from the internet. Then, launch Need for Speed Unbound just as you normally would. The game is designed to recognize when you are offline and will automatically present you with the option to continue your single-player journey. No complex settings are required. When playing offline, you gain full access to the rich single-player experience. This includes every story mission, all available races, and the complete car customization system. You can build your dream garage and progress through the ranks without interruption. However, it's important to remember that online multiplayer races, leaderboards, and social interactions with other players will not be available in this mode. It's a dedicated solo adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.